Zed, the first Philippine neobank licensed as a standalone issuer, has nearly 50,000 Filipinos on its waitlist. To tell us more about the business, we have its founders, Steve Abraham and Danielle Kawanko Abraham. Danielle, let's start with you. What makes Zed stand out among traditional credit card issuers?
Yeah, so Zed is a MasterCard Titanium credit card that has no fees, no revolving interest, and an app with powerful first to market features like single use virtual cards. We're reimagining the credit card for the next generation, starting with the Philippines, where it's incredibly hard to get a credit card if you don't already have one. Only 8% of people in the Philippines have a credit card today, and there are even fewer people in Indonesia at 6% and Vietnam at 2%. This lack of access disproportionately impacts young people who don't have great credit scores or credit scores at all because traditional scoring overweights length of history above all else. So they get passed over by traditional issuers, even if they have solid jobs with strong income, simply because they haven't had the time to build up history. We're analyzing a user's current and potential income along with other relevant data rather than relying solely on traditional credit scores. So young professionals can build credit responsibly and receive fair access without being restricted by outdated criteria.
Moving on to Steve this time, let's talk about the business model. How can Zed be able to support this no fees, no interest business model?
Yeah, so our revenue comes from interchange fees, which is a standard network fee that all banks collect from merchants through MasterCard. Other banks just also collect interest revenue, annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and late fees from customers on top of these merchant fees. But we're not built like traditional banks. We're built like a Silicon Valley technology company down to our DNA. I'm the lead software engineer, and Danielle is the lead product designer. Our headcount's concentrated on engineering and design, and we focus our efforts on writing software that automates workflows and improves the customer experience. So this means that we're not paying for costly infrastructure like physical bank branches or bloated headcounts to power back office workflows. And we're able to pass those savings on to customers in the form of no fees and no interest.
So, in a nutshell, what advantages does Zed have as a non bank credit card issuer licensed by the BSP?
Yeah, when Danielle and I first started Zed, it was really important for us to become a properly licensed financial institution. This means that we have greater flexibility in the features we can deliver, the velocity that we can deliver them, and maintain control over the overall customer experience, developing a more secure, reliable, and consistent platform. We're not reliant on any other party to guarantee our customers access to our products or the integrity of their funds. And the reliance of fintechs on partner banks has started to come under a lot of scrutiny in markets around the world, including even the United States. The license also means that our customers can trust that we're supervised, regularly examined, and also held accountable to the regulations by the BSP. We're held to the same standard around our financial products that any bank would be.
We are looking forward to see Zed roll out in the Philippines, Steve and Danielle. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks so much, Sess.
Thanks for having us, Tess.
Once again, those were Steve Abraham, co-founder of Zed, and Danielle Coango Abraham, co-founder and CEO of Zed. For more news, visit asianbankingandfinance.net.